Alright, back to my Indiana Jones custom figure. I gotta make hands for him. I did a rough sculpt with the Apoxie Sculpt Clay that I use, but that's not gonna grip anything. I made him a little machete. I was hoping for something a little more pliable, because if I try just sculpting it even a little bit better, putting the little machete in and out of his hands, it's gonna, even though this is pretty rigid, it's eventually just gonna crack and break. So I think I'm gonna try and use green stuff. Make his hands out of green stuff so it gives it more of like a rubbery grip, because that's what green stuff, it's kind of like a hard rubber, feels like a hockey puck. With the epoxy sculpt, I don't really mind dremeling stuff off. It's just kind of like an eraser. I can always just sculpt more on, even if this doesn't work, this little experiment. Alright, let's do it. I dremeled them back down to the paper clip that was underneath. I used as a support when I was sculpting it. That little wire is going to act as a support when I put the green stuff on top. So it doesn't stick to the green stuff, you got to put a little petroleum jelly on it. This stuff works great as a mold release. Mix it up, both pieces. Mix it up, both green and the yellow. It's very sticky. Put it on there kind of rough. When it dries or hardens, I'll cut it and shape it and basically carve it into the shape I want. But I like the position of it right there. There, I finished. I refined the hand so it doesn't look like a big oven mitt. I even did his gun hand and sculpted a little gun. Maybe I'll give the gun a little bit more detail. I don't know. But I've been working on this one for so damn long. Kenner already designed and made one, beat me to it. The only thing I can do is try and top it. I don't know if I can do that. Even though their design is a little weak. I don't know if I have the sculpting skills to completely top that. Though I'm got a vague resemblance of Harrison Ford finally. Look at that, look at that. We're getting there, we're getting there. I don't know how much better I can get this thing. Gotta wrap it up eventually.